Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a data scientist in our Doppler group here at Sonodyne. In this video, I'm going to be explaining our Edge software development kit, Edge SDK, for our range of Origin ADCPs. Origin ADCPs can run customizable Edge apps which process raw data into useful information on the device. This means that you can monitor results during deployments, lowering the risk to your operation by supplying the right data when you need it. We offer apps to calculate wave results, measure currents and turbulence, and monitor the quality of your ADCP data. But perhaps you'd like to modify these apps or create new ones of your own. For that, you'll need the Edge SDK. The Edge SDK is a toolkit for creating, modifying, and testing Edge apps, making it easy to work with Origin ADCPs and the data they produce. Your app can process ADCP data into your preferred format, and can even fuse results with readings from a connected external sensor. The results can then be logged to disk for later retrieval, or transmitted immediately. In either case, you can harvest the data using Origin's integrated modem. You can modify the provided examples, import the package source of an existing app, or create an entirely new app using the included templates. This creates files on your computer that you can edit however you prefer. The SDK also allows you to test your app on existing datasets to ensure that your app works as expected. When you're done writing the app's code, the SDK will build the app and notify you of the test results, including any problems it finds during the test. Finally, you can export your app either to a package that can be shared with collaborators for further development, or a program that can be loaded onto your ADCP to run during your next deployment. I hope you're as excited about the Edge SDK as I am, and you can see the benefits that this will bring to your next ADCP deployment. If you have any questions, please get in touch with your local Sonodyne office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay up to date with everything new from Sonodyne. Thanks for watching.